Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the settings we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's localize sleep option. It should be under the advanced, so tap on it and tap on screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one, which is in this device 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like this. I'll choose 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.